Good morning, friends. Welcome to one more video of Trade with Edge. Let's start with important news update. So, collect news tha Ultratech is going to invest 1800 crore in wires, and that wiped out 55,000 crore from market cap. So, Polycap was down 17%, KI down 20%, Havells down 6%, and Ultratech itself is down by 5%. So, market is so shallow, so bearish mode that any small news now news is not going to affect these stocks immediately. It's just factory setup will take two years. So, and it wiped out 55,000 crore. So market just looking for a reason to sell. Granules negative news. Granules India unit gets USFDA warning letter. New product approval to see impact from this site. Coal India announces price hike of 300 ton on entire volume from one of its subsidiary NCL from May 2025. Analysts see 9% positive impact on EBITDA for FY26. Tata Power arm TP Solar wins 632 crore contract for solar modules. March 25 series. Now there is history that the Nifty has delivered positive return in the month of March for last 4 years, and I think this is going to be broken now. US unemployment jobless claims for the week ended Feb 22 at 2.42 lakhs versus 2.2 lakhs in the previous week. Transrail Lightning secures order worth 2752 crore in T&D segment. GE Power, the company, has secured an additional contract worth 273 crore. Auto number. So Feb month auto number could see a decline. So PV segment to see degrowth. Maruti, Hyundai, Tata Motor all might see 8 to 5% degrowth. Tractor sales are likely to be down by 12%. Guys, I hope my news analysis is helping you guys, because yesterday in pre-market report or news report, I have posted that Ultratech 4A and likely to be negative for Polycab and KEI. So RBI risk weightage reduction, that's positive for Bandhan Bank, IndusInd, RBL Bank, and they open a gap up and have seen a up move after giving up the gains. Today we might see a bloodbath on the market on the floor, because Nasdaq was down 2.7%. Asian markets are down heavily. US was, even Dow Jones was down. European markets were down, and our SGX 60 might see 100 points gap down. Long short data indicating short built up in Ultratech, Polycab, KEI, IEX, Havells, BSC. Only long was in Voltas. If you look at this chart closely, I was seeing a breakdown from a level running since June. Okay, so this might take this stock to low of the election day. Nifty OI change indicating higher call writing, lower put writing, but with today's gap down, these late put writers might be trapped. The open interest analysis, the highest call writing is at 23,000. Then we can see across the board there is decent writing, right? But highest is at 23,000 and second highest is at 22,600. Put side, I can see highest put writing at 22,500, but this is the start of the series. So today's data, from today onwards, data would start building in to give a significant view. अगर निफ्टी चैनल हम लोग रिग्रेशन चैनल अगर देखें, so since 2020 bottom से we are coming close to the bottom of this regression channel, and that level is coming around 22,200 to 21,800 range. So that's the next meaningful support I see, and obviously election day low would be around that level. So next meaningful support is lying around this level only. So don't be in hurry to catch a falling knife. अगर level front पे देखें हम लोग 22,510 is a week below level. Obviously we'll cross this level with gap down for target of 22,450 and 22,392 level. So इसे कैसे प्ले करूंगा मैं? गैप डाउन में अगर फर्स्ट 15 मिनट का जो भी कैंडल बनेगा उसका लो ब्रेक हुआ, आई ट्राई अ शॉर्ट ट्रेड. इफ आफ्टर गैप डाउन वी सी अ रिकवरी, एंड अगर रिकवरी मुझे 22,510 के आसपास एक छोटे एसएल के साथ एंट्री देता है, आई टेक अ शॉर्ट ट्रेड. सो फोकस वुड बी ऑन शॉर्ट्स ओनली. स्ट्रॉन्ग अबो लेवल इज क्वाइट फार एट 22,615, और any recovery and then fall would be again a good short opportunity. Bank Nifty, we can see here, Bank Nifty is more resilient as compared to Nifty जो low बना था Jan end के आसपास. We are still trading around that only. So I expect in this week or next week, 48,000 level could be broken on the Nifty, and that would take it to the election day low. So yes, more targets to come on downside. And Bank Nifty, if you ask about intraday, मेरा levels होगा 48,590 would be weak below level, जिसके नीचे 48,436 and 48,260 का लेवल बन सकता है. And upside strong above level is 48,870. Guys, focus on short trades only with a stop loss. And that was for today, guys. Trade safe. Don't try to catch a falling knife. And अगर आपको OI डेटा एनालाइज करना सीखना है तो संडे हमारे साथ जुड़िए इन फ्री वेबिनार. थैंक यू गाइस. सी यू टुमारो.